Hey Hadley. Well, the end of the year didn't exactly go as we planned, did it? But we learned in kindergarten that sometimes we have to be flexible. So this year we're being flexible, but I wanted to send you a message to let you know how much I miss you, and I wish that we could be together at the end of the year for our end of the year celebrations. But since we can't, I wanted to let you know that this year you earned the Whaley Awesome Award for making so much improvement throughout the year. I can't tell you how proud I am of how hard you worked and how far you came this year in kindergarten. And I know next year when you go to first grade, you are going to knock your teacher socks off and you're going to show them how hard of a worker you are. So I hope you have a great summer, and I want to send my love and hugs your way. So mwah! Have a great summer. Bye, Hadley.